Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to drop a pin with Android. That's you can mark and share your location using your Google Map. So first thing you have to do is open up your Google Map app, right, and make sure you know the location you're going to. And once you have identified physically the location, all you need to do is tap, press like long press on the location, and you're going to see this right here. So click on direction, and you're going to see the direction from your current location to your your the location you're trying to locate, right? So after that, you can now see to save right here. You can see the save. So once you click on save, once you click on that, it's going to be saved so that you can actually see it immediately and you don't have to actually search for it again. After that, you can actually share. You can see the share right there. So click on share and you're going to see the pop-up where you get to share to any social media platform of your choice and share to your family, your friends, in order for them to be able to trace you back. Right. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.